tell the process or flow of period closure of AP? And what are the prerequisites or what are the procedures for AP period closure? Anybody?
And at roles level, general accounting manager and general accounting.
No, what I'm telling, what I'm asking. So, what are the prerequisites or what are the procedures to be followed for AP period closure?
First of all, we have to know that all accounting entries are that means validated and accounted and transferred to GL, and then all if there is any exceptions are there, we have to know we have to check that one also, and then all the expense reports which are validated and which are audited and approved and imported to AP. And then if there is any exceptions, we can close the period by the system automatically will generate one sweep transaction for the next period.
Correct. Anybody? Any other?
Complete and approve all transactions and payment files and reconcile payment to bank statement activity.
Yeah.
Create accounting and transfer to general ledger. Unaccounted transactions and sweep process. Close the current payable period. Open the next payable period. Review payable invoice sizing report. Submit to mass addition or transfer to fixed assets. And submit to cost information to cost management. And submit to general subledger account analysis report. And we can sweep the next month period.
Okay.
These are the
And
AP period close reports.
good. Correct. And tell me one more one more point. What are the models? What is the model would you prefer to close very first? So you told that the process, that's fine, but we have financial models, right? We have
Yes.
many
General
financial
ledger
models.
module.
So first period, which period would you like to close very first? Anybody? Which model you will prefer to close very first? So we have 6 models or 5 models, many models in the in financials, APR, FFCM, and general ledger, and SCM level.
General ledger
Costing.
module, Mahesh.
Sai Kiran, how do you close the general ledger first? Very first.
Very first.
Very first, how do you close? Without closing subledgers, how do you close general ledger?
Okay.
First of all, you have to close that fixed assets.
Cash management.
Okay, so generally, we supposed to close, SCM related inventory periods. Okay, after that, we should consider AP model very beginning. Like after that, we can go for other models, subledgers. So first thing, we have to close the subledgers. Okay, then we will go for general ledger. That is the procedure. So we'll not close GL or CM very first. So those are the reconciliation activities. So we'll close very yeah. Somebody speaking? Okay. And can anybody tell about reference data sets. What do you know about reference data sets?
Reference data set is minimize the configuration of locations. Then COM means reference data set, sir.
I'm asking related to our AP module. Okay, can you give an example? What is the reference data set? I mean, just basic knowledge. I mean, what is the reference data set? How we can
Reference
use?
enterprise set and common set. These are the most reference data set.
Okay. So, what is common set and what is enterprise set?
Common set.
Common reference data set means Oracle will provide all business
Saikiran,
unit follow
your
the
voice is very disturbing. We are unable to listen.
okay.
Is it was only for me or all?
Everyone. I don't know, maybe I haven't.
సాయి కిరణ్ వాయిస్ అందరికి ఎలా అనిపిస్తుందో నాకే అనిపిస్తుంది అట్లా.
Break out word.
బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే.
Signal issue I have.
Yeah.
I think common
So
set
now,
and enterprise.
yeah, here I have given one requirement. So we have 3 business units. Let's say in our organization we have 400 business unit, 700 business unit, and 900 business units. These are the business unit names I have. And we want to apply different payment terms for each business unit. Okay, and we don't want to use the same payment term in multiple business units. We want to restrict the payment term what we created only for one particular business unit. Now tell me how we can do that. So if you know about reference data set, okay, so now tell me the procedure. How can I restrict, let's say, 400 business unit? So how can I use one of the payment term only for 400 business unit? Did you get my point? Anybody?
Okay, we can create our own data sets also for restriction to access for the payment
Yeah,
terms.
yeah. So what is the procedure? Tell me the setup process.
Sorry.
Okay. So regarding this, first we need to create one reference data set. Okay, whatever the reference data set would you like to apply for your business unit, you can create one reference data set first. Then go to manage business unit set assignment setup level. There you have for your business unit, you can open this setup. Okay, select our required business unit and open manage business unit set assignment. There you can see there are multiple uh, sets. There are multiple application sets you can see, and you can find their payable payment term. Payable payment term you can find and apply the new reference data set whatever you created. Once you applied, and you can go to payment terms, manage payment terms, and you can create a new payment term. Then after creating, then you can see there is a sign assignments in the below. you can search for your reference data set, whatever you created for a new business unit. Okay, you can find the set. Usually we used to give the common set. There you can find the reference data set what we have created right now. Just select it and apply for the new payment term. Okay, now you can go for, you can open your invoice, create invoice with the particular business unit. Okay, so just try to create invoice with a particular business unit. There you can see only,
Our own reference status.
yes,
Yes, I am
our
recollecting.
payment term
Whenever you are
only.
telling, I am recollecting.
Sorry.
Whenever you are telling, I am recollecting all those
Yeah,
screens.
yeah, yeah. So that is the process, that is the way we have to explain in the interview process. So we should not tell point, I mean, question, one word, one answer, like that. So you should able to explain the process. If you have good hands-on practice, if you have done good practice, then you can able to explain how we can do that. So what is the functionality flow? Then interviewer will be impressed. So we will assume that, yeah, this is the way we have to. Okay.
Okay.
So I will put the same thing here.